Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by locating Clock app and tapping on it. Following that, select Alarm section at the bottom left corner and click on this gear at the top right one before creating your alarm. Now adjust all of those options however you want to, like alarm duration. When you're all done, go back and click on this red plus at the bottom to create your alarm. Finally, set up an hour. When you're ready, select Weekends, Custom or Once sections. I will go with Custom. Pick days of the week. In my case, Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. And to save them, hit Save at the bottom right corner. Now you can tap on Snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. You can also switch it on or off whenever you wish to thanks to this switcher. Click on the back button, select Alarm Tone and pick one of those options available at the bottom. You can click on Recordings to set up any chosen one as your alarm sound. You can choose local music to pick music from your device, or internal media to select one of the available Red Magic melodies. I will go with C. Now just hit OK at the bottom right corner. Now, thanks to this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing, you can disable or enable incoming calls vibrations. Then tap on Label. Finally, you can label your alarm however you want to if you want to. And save your new label by hitting OK. Now to save your alarm, select this check mark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. If you wish to edit it, click on it, change wherever you want to and tap on the same check mark again. To switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. Then pick one of those available options. You can also turn it back on by tapping on the same, now gray switcher. In order to get rid of your alarm, you can hold it and click Delete option at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!